Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at shell sort. So in shell sort you have a gap and it's a bit different from other sorts, but it's supposed to be a improved version of insertion sort. So here we go. Okay, so today we're looking at shell sort. So here if I run my program, then I have this original list and then this new list. So in shell sort basically you have a gap. So here I have 8 numbers and then I'm doing floor division. So then 8 floor division 2 is 4. So then I have a gap of 4. So then I do like 7 and 4 for example. So then I compare 7 and 4 for example, then 4 comes here and 7 comes here. And then I have 9 and 9, so that stays like that. Then 0 and negative 9, so those get swapped. Then 8 and 6, and those get swapped. Then down here, I'm doing the gap again, because it's not going to be able to come up here because it's inside loops. So with this gap over here, so then the gap changes, so now it's 2. So then say it's still in the same situation, so say this is the new somewhat sorted list. Then 7 and 0, 9 and 8. So first is 7 and 0, then those get swapped in 7 and 4. Then 9 and 8. And then these two get swapped. So then here 9 and 9, so those stay the same. Then however it goes on. So what happens mostly is that all of the work happens here. So here I've said while j is greater or equal to interval and LSD j minus interval is greater than temp. So this first part is so that it stops, so that the entire thing stops. Like it stays within the list, basically, not stops. It stays within the list and doesn't throw like an indexer. And the second part is so that it's in ascending or descending order. Right now it's in ascending order, obviously. Then basically what happens is that you can use all of these values of the list as placeholders. So then, so this is equal to, so then this is basically, so if we have j for example as 2, so 0, 1, 2, so then LSD2 equal to this. Then basically this value will come into that specific spot. So instead of 0, the number I'm comparing it with, say 4, so then we have 4 over here and 0 has disappeared. It's staying, so then I'm using this as a placeholder for it. Then I'm changing the value of j. So now j was 2, so now it's, so then I'm doing minus interval, and interval is also this, so then j equal to 0. Then LST0 equal to temp, so then LST0 is over here. So then equal to temp, and temp is right now 0. So then I move 0 over here. So basically that's how it swaps. So here I'm doing the first number, then the second number gets done over here in this line. So, and this is so that the value of j keeps moving.